Hello guys, in this video, we will talk about Qownnotes and Obsidian, and I will help you to decide which note-taking application is better in 2025. So let's start with Qownnotes. Qownnotes is an open source, markdown-based note editor with a focus on privacy and own cloud or Nextcloud sync. It's ideal for users who want total control over their data. Obsidian, on the other hand, has exploded in popularity due to its knowledge graph, plugin system, and elegant markdown editing interface. It supports local storage and community plugins for almost everything. So let's compare both of them. Number one, for their user interface. Obsidian is cleaner and more modern than Qownnotes because Qownnotes feels more technical and utilitarian, but it is very customizable. Number two, their features. Obsidian offers backlinking, a visual graph view, and community plugins for task management, spaced repetition, and even whiteboards. Qownnotes, on the other hand, is more minimal but supports scripting and syncing with cloud services. Number three, their sync and storage. Both stores notes locally. Obsidian uses third-party sync or paid sync service. Qownnotes directly integrates with Nextcloud or OwnCloud for free, making it ideal for privacy-focused users. Number four, extensibility. Obsidian has a huge plugged-in ecosystem, perfect for building your own PKM system. Qownnotes, on the other hand, has scripting but fewer ready-to-use extensions. Number 5, cross-platform support. Both apps run on Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Obsidian also has powerful mobile apps, and Qownnotes works on mobile via third-party sync, but it lacks a dedicated app. So if you want a modern, community-powered, and beautifully designed tool, you can go with Obsidian. But if you are a privacy enthusiast with your own cloud, Qownnotes might be the better pick for you. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.